When does a blood moon occur? Moon is a type of natural satellite that rotates around the Earth. It undergoes different phases in its cycle during its rotation that are visible to us. When there is a total lunar eclipse, we can observe the blood moon. It got its name by its appearance in the sky that will be dark red or slight texture of brown. So, we can infer that the blood red moon happens mainly during the total lunar eclipse caused by the Earth covering the Sun. Why does a blood moon occur? The main reason for the moon to appear red is the scattering phenomenon. When the particles in the atmosphere surrounding the moon scatter the red light that interacts on its surface, the whitish moon turns reddish-brown. It happens during the total lunar eclipse when Earth completely covers the site of the Sun during its revolution around the Sun. How long does a blood moon occur? Blood moon indicates the occurrence of 4 total lunar eclipses in 24 months. Each blood moon occurs between tenure of 2.5 years. The astronomers and the skywatchers have given it a unique name known as a lunar tetrad. In the period of the tetrad, each eclipse with a gap of 6 months to one another. Even in the tetrad period, there will be 5 uneclipsed moon phases. How often do blood moons happen? According to the report given by many astronomers, blood moons occur 2 times in 12 months. We already know that the blood moon occurs because of the total lunar eclipse. This eclipse may or may not be observed by many people due to the angle and position of their geographical location, even though the eclipse may be seen but not the blood moon. With the help of astronomical telescopes, one can view the site of the blood moon. How often does a super blood moon occur? It is estimated that there may be 2 to 4 super blood moon that W will observe in 2 years. It is also given by NASA that in 12 months, there might be 2 to 4 lunar eclipses that may be either full or partial, and each eclipse is not observed all over the Earth. It depends on the location of the observer. So even the super blood moon will be observed only once or twice by half of the Earth's population. How often does a blood moon eclipse occur? Can observe blood moon eclipse from a specific geographical location every 2.5 years. The lunar eclipse is visible for different areas at different time zones. So, if we reside at a specific location, we can see the blood moon eclipse only every 2.5 years. It will occur almost 2 times a year, but SEED can view it only at specified time zones for a specific region. How often does a super blue blood moon occur? The occurrence of a super blue blood moon is a rare phenomenon. Super blue blood moon is a rare phase of a moon that will be exciting to watch because it occurs only once in 30 months. According to the calendar month, this phase of the moon is considered to be the second full moon. The appearance of blue color is due to dust and smoke particles. How often does a blood moon occur in Terraria? Blood moons usually occur every 9 Terraria nights. Terraria nights are the lunar eclipse period where we can witness the blood moon. It is assumed to be consisting of higher energies. It has no such important significance in the astronomical aspect but considered be dangerous according to mythology. How often does a super flower blood moon occur? Let us understand the term-by-term analogy of the super flower blood moon. It is termed a super because the orbit around which the moon rotates around the Earth is not a circle but oval. When the moon is present in its complete phase, it comes to the nearby orbit point of the Earth. This process makes it appear more prominent when viewed from Earth. Hence given the name supermoon. It is termed a flower because full moons occasionally take place in the month of spring. Hence, the name is flowered since the flowers bloom in Europe and American regions in this period. This tenure is considered to be the flowering season. Therefore the name was given by the localities. According to many astronomers and space research institutes, the superflower blood moon is one of the most significant celestial phenomena during the total lunar eclipse. Both the lunar eclipse and the red blood moon occur together. When all the three bodies are aligned in a row, the Earth's shadow causes a complete lunar eclipse. The redness of the moon is due to the red light that gets reflected on the moon's surface. If there are many dust particles around the moon, it looks redder. Frequently asked questions (FAQs). How does a blood moon occur? A blood moon is a major celestial event observed in the night sky. It appears to be brownish or copper red during the phase of the moon, hence giving it the name blood moon. Blood moons or super blood moons are delights to the eyes of skywatchers. Whenever you observe a blood moon, you must know that a lunar eclipse occurs. The moon's reddish color occurs due to the light that is being scattered from the surroundings and later made to fall on the moon's surface. Does the super blood moon rise red in the sky? The blood moon does not rise red, only the particles surrounding it make it appear red. If there is a total lunar eclipse, then there is a chance of a super blood moon to appear. As soon as the Earth covers the Sun, the shadow falls directly on the moon in such a direction considering its position and angle interact with the particles present on the surface, making it a... Which is the rarest color of the moon phase? One of the rarest colors of the moon phase is blue, which is observed rarely in the night sky. Super blue blood moon is one of the rarest phases of a moon that will be visible once in 30 to 40 months. The appearance of the blue color of the moon is due to the presence of dust and smoke particles in its surroundings that interact with its surface and the position and angle of shadow that falls on the moon. How often can a super wolf blood moon happen? In a century, 28 super wolf blood moons are observed. They are rare. The clear sight can be seen when the weather is clear. It is one of the most vital phases of the moon observed during the total lunar eclipse. Are super blood moons the rarest phenomenon? Super blood moons are considered the rarest happenings in the night sky. Each super blood moon is associated with specific special significance, including scientific and religious aspects. These blood moons occur in a tetrad that will be one of them. What are the different types of the moon that can be observed? Here is a list of rarest phases of the moon that can be exciting to watch. Super blood moon, super flower moon, wolf blood moon, pink moon, micro moon, super blue moon, harvest moon, ring of fire. Please visit our website lambdageeks.com for more articles on technology, engineering, mathematics, and various other domains. Scientific calculator and many more other tools.